Assalamu alaikum. Today, we are here to celebrate a very special day. 14 August, Pakistan's Independence Day. This day reminds us of the hard work and bravery of our ancestors who made Pakistan a reality. On 14 August 1947, Pakistan became a free country, no longer under the British rule. Our great leader, Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah, worked very hard for this separate country, where all Muslims could live freely and practice their religions. Mr. President, sir, all the demons fighting like superheroes, fighting with all their heart, fighting for our nation, fighting for Islam, and fighting for Allah Azza wa Jal. Mr. President, sir, many of us made big sacrifices to achieve this freedom. Many of us gave their lives to keep us safe. Mr. President, sir, one of the great poets that said, "My country, my pride, my heart, so few. With every beat, I think of you. Your feet so green, your sky is so blue. In your embrace, I always view. For your love, I stand so tall. Pakistan, my hope, my all." Independence Day is a time to remember and honor those who fought for our freedom. It is not just a holiday, it's a day to think about our past and our future. And we must always remember the values of unity, faith and discipline. Yes, Mr. President, sir. Unity, faith and discipline that our country was built on. And these values are very important for the success and progress of Pakistan. Independence Day reminds us of our duties towards our country. It tells us to work hard and be honest. And we must always try to make Pakistan a better place. Let's honor the sacrifices of our ancestors and working together for a brighter future. In the last, I will end my topic with these colorful words. O land of mine, where dreams take flight. In your love, we find our light.